If you want to change the template conditions in Elementor, what you need to do is go to the templates menu on the left hand side and either check save templates or pop-ups. For this example we'll use pop-ups. We want to make a change to this, so we just go edit with Elementor. Once the page is open, go down here and click on this arrow and say display conditions. Currently we've got a singular on the front page. We want to change that now to the entire site. You just say save and close, and that will now add that pop-up to every page on the website. I hope you found that useful. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you found it useful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.